Lucas, get off that.
Boy, it feels like I feel
I know all of them are just horrible.
Yeah.
no, it's so
It's ridiculous.
all the wolfies have to get me. Did you get the shark at the zoo? That shark stuck in the at the zoo? I got this.
I know.
Did you get it? These are my favorites.
Those are?
Yeah.
Now, what is the point of this?
Oh, who knows? It's total idiocy.
That's so that when you pull out our crates, you get another one.
Yeah, pretty much so.
I want some cake.
You want some cake?
Yeah. Yay.
Boxes away.
Okay.
Here's your instructions.
That was one. The other Iron Man. Thank you.
It's dirty.
One step forward and two back.
Pretty much the whole fancy.
There you go. That's
how it goes.
Those ones are so
Oh,
fun.
I was tired this morning
Whoa.
sitting at that airport.
Happy.
Oh my God. Airport.
I would have just dropped them
Those are
off.
my favorites.
No, you can't
If,
do that to a 14-year-old kid. God, no.
They should have
If
come
he
over
was
here.
older, I would have, if like a 18 or 16-year-old, yeah. But he was kind of scared.
He's a nice kid.
Yeah, he is.
I liked him.
Aunt Lorraine should have brought him up and with her that one day, and the kids could have hung out together.
Yeah, I wonder why she didn't do that. Instead of leaving him home with Gordy. Well, Gordy would have came along through there. Oh God, that would have ruined her day. Yeah, probably why she didn't. Yeah. That complete a wipe. That is delicious cake, I have to say.
Do you want another piece, Grandma?
No, God, no. I'm full.
He was pretty
It's already
comfortable.
almost gone.
Just leave it.
Oh, you can't have any more.
Yes, you can. That's his birthday. He
No,
can
I'm
have-
talking about you.
Well, no, I don't want any more. Leave
I
it
didn't
for-
even eat any.
Leave it for Jordan.
Yeah.
You like the middle ones best?
Mm-hmm.
Just cut the frosting off on the outside edges. Then they taste the same as the middle.
Yeah. You don't have to eat the frosty.
You want some more?